good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, whichever it might be. So this is an Amazon purchase from the Flamme Store. I'll put some links on if I possibly can in the description. So Flamme Store, and this is for basically an electric fire with a really nice glow effect. So as you can see, everything is flat packed to a degree on the Fire Suite. So very quickly, Amazon do this, the Flamme Store do this in three sizes, basically a small, a medium, which is what you're looking at now, a medium, and a large. Small's $309, medium $329, large $399. They do it in three colours: an Espresso Oak, which is this one, a Natural Oak, which is this one, and a white, plain white. It's not cheaper for just a plain white as well. It's $309, $329, $399 prices as I'm kind of publishing this video. So it comes in two boxes. That box there you can see there is the unit, the heat unit. Comes with everything labelled as a flat pack, A, B, C, D. Very, very clearly labelled in terms of its typical kind of flat pack, bag of screws, that kind of thing. But the better quality flat pack, if you know what I'm saying. It's not the kind of you put a screw in and it just splinters. Little bit of an issue, that screw there wasn't quite lined up right. But other than that, everything was fairly easy. And this particular one's the Espresso Oak with the slate stone effect surround, which is quite nice. So everything's very simply fixes onto the back. Can you see the stickers there? Oh yeah, and by the way, it's LED at the top to give a light effect, and that's a kind of finished look. Had to undo some screws a few times and move panels around just to make things a bit snug. Things weren't fully aligned. Alignment, I'd say 90%, slightly out by a few millimeters. So as you can see, that's built, but some bolts are loose, so it makes it look better. Anyway, so this is the main unit. Opening the unit up, nice glossy finish, very, very, very good quality. Looks exceptional good quality. That sits on the two mounts there and then screws into the surround. The LED light plugs in there. That's the strip light. That's on the panel just above the fascia, and then obviously the mains leads. So that's an example of it working. Installation time was about 15 minutes. And here, this is what I mean about making sure things perfectly aligned. We had to do some bolts just to let things move a little. And they're the two bolts you get, two sliders to secure fully the electric unit to the fire side. Probably standard stuff, but yeah, went on no problem. Yeah, this is unfortunate for us. Yeah, this is unfortunate item, number one. Number two, slight line. Yeah, so maybe they're cheaper for a reason, which I'm a great believer. If they're cheap on eBay or Amazon, they're always cheaper on there for a reason. Maybe they're a slight second, I don't know. Also, there's enough note, and I showed you earlier the pen for if there is scratches, you can paint over it apparently, which is quite good. But yeah, slightly disappointing in regards to that. I think if I paid any more, I'd be returning it, I'd be honest. But we've just put a little ornament on it, so we're not going to cry about it. So remote control, try and work out switch it on. Yes, you can switch it on by the buttons, which are hiding there too. You've got 4 intensities of flame. Looks super realistic. I appreciate you're seeing a lot of reflection, but when I do get around to closing the blinds, excellent. Very, very, very realistic. So there is 4 levels of intensity, and there is the strip light I was telling you about, hence the wire earlier on to plug it in. If I can get it going, here we go, and that does light up beautifully, the stone effect, going on the top, down the side, and when the lights are off, when the curtains are closed, that does light up quite a lot, so it's really nice. So again, this is a medium size, the small, medium and large. This is a medium. Oh yeah, 1 heat setting. Nice little red light comes on. I quite like that touch. You know if that heat is on. 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 switches off. Nice and simple. Couldn't go wrong with it. To be honest with you, the price of electricity, we probably won't have that on. We're literally looking at the nice glow effect for summer evenings, winter evenings, just for it to be a bit cozy in the living room. Just to make the living room a little bit more chilled out. Again, looks great. Really realistic. You can control it from the unit, so if you do lose your remote control, don't worry. Again, not happy about that, but such is life, such is life. Like I say, if I paid any more, I would have asked for an exchange, maybe a part exchange. So there it is, in the distance there. We've lined it symmetrical to our wall unit. Well, the thing we've got on the wall. If I moved it slightly to the to the left, I think it'd be out of position. So we've just decided we're happy with it there. Right, so quality wise, good. It is a flat pack ABC, but of the better quality flat pack items. Feels good, feels solid. It's a great price. Thanks for watching, guys. So as always, I appreciate your time hugely. Please do like, please do subscribe. I hope you appreciate the video. Sorry it was a little bit rushed in parts, but I think you get the general idea of the sort of quality and price and everything. So much appreciated, guys. Take care as always. Take care.